Howdy, gang. Another busy week. Just got back from a 5-day class at the school. If y'all weren't there, you missed a great class. I highly suggest you get on over to like the Pathfinder Learning Center and check out the pictures and things, and Dave's page and all the other instructors' pages who were there. You'll see what you missed. It's a good one. A long one, but a good one. Tonight's talk is brought to you by a West Tampa Tobacco Company cigar. I actually picked these up because I like the bands, and I don't have one of these, so not a bad whiff. We'll see how it works out. I need to see if I can get this band off without tearing it up, so it can go on my band wall. No promises though, because this thing's on here pretty good. Computer singing to me. Oh, here she comes. There we go. That? Oh, I'll put that on the band wall later. And we're going to drink some of this Rusted Crow bourbon. My buddy Vaskin Battleau, fellow instructor at the school, brought this to me. And this is actually from a little craft brewery. And it's actually crafted for the Dearborn Heights Fire Department. So, got a cool looking band on it. Oh, I like this label. We'll turn that nice and slow so you can see it. And there's the whole thing. So, that's what we're going to be doing tonight. Kind of want to talk about the culture of convenience tonight. Because quite frankly, it's one of the things that's destroying our American culture. And yes, we have an American culture, unlike what a few folks would want you to believe. We have become so hooked on convenience that, like I said, we're destroying our entire culture based on whether it's convenient or not to exercise our culture. We can't be bothered to wait for a TV program to come on during its regularly scheduled time, so we can stream everything. We don't actually have to watch it now. What we don't understand is that actually hurts their ratings and causes them to not be renewed, and then we get the gripe about later about, hey, why'd they discontinue that show? I love that show. Well, because you didn't watch it when it was on. You got on Netflix or Hulu or whatever it is, and streamed the whole episode and streamed the whole season. Okay, which is okay if you never knew about it in the first place. But during the season, that's how they determine how many people tune in when it's being broadcast. Let's see what else. We're destroying our holidays because, it's really inconvenient to actually observe the holiday on the day that it falls. So, let's just do it on the weekend before or the weekend after. Or we do the same thing with birthdays and anniversaries and all those other kind of things as well. That's on a Wednesday. So I don't really want to get out of work early and go to dinner on Wednesday. So let's just celebrate our anniversary on Saturday. And, that's all well and good. It's being convenient for you. But what you're saying is that particular holiday or occasion is not important enough to do it on the day that it actually happens. So, it's a sad thing. About half the 4th of July celebrations in my area are over. And it's not even the 4th of July yet. It's the 3rd. So, but it's just inconvenience to take a day to take a day during the week and go out and watch fireworks and have a barbecue. And so why would we waste time doing that when we could have just done it on Saturday? Yeah, why? And the defense is going to be, well, it's during the week, and I got to work on the day before and the day after, and da 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 da. Well, that's just an excuse. Is all it is. We all want to make choices for all this stuff, and we want to be completely free of the consequences of any of those choices. And the consequence of these choices are we devalue those holidays. We devalue those occasions. We devalue those things that we just reschedule because they fall on an inconvenient day of the week. Oh, and by the way, the holiday is not the 4th of July. The holiday is Independence Day, which happens to fall on the 4th of July every year. That's the holiday. We're not celebrating the 4th of July. We're celebrating Independence Day. Kind of important, which is, set us up for everything after that. But, guess it's not that important. It's inconvenient to learn history. Not convenient to learn all those things that actually happened before. Because if I actually learn them, then I can repeat those mistakes and say I never knew about them, right? Whew. This is not a bad bourbon. I would do that again. Of course, I'm going to have to wash my glass one of these days. I got some floaties in there. But I'm sure not coming from the bottle. It's alcohol. It'll kill them. Ain't no big deal. I guess that's really all I've got to say about that. This is going to be, among many other things, this is going to be known as the age of convenience. Or the age of, I'm not going to do anything that inconvenience me. Oh. It's a sad, sad thing. I don't know. Saddens me to look at what we've become. Saw today that the Democrats are introducing a bill to impose term limits on Supreme Court justices. Might be a great idea for the members of Congress also. There's nobody that should be elected for life. There's no one that should be able to continue being elected for life. And here's the thing. Supreme Court justices aren't elected. They're appointed. Well, they're elected by the Congress, which doesn't really count. You're not our representatives anymore. You've decided you only represent yourself. But I'm for term limits. For everyone. With that being said, I'll see y'all in the woods. I hope to see y'all at a class coming up. We still have some openings for the next 2 or 3 classes. So if you've been on the fence, now would be a great time. Follow the link in my description. I don't care if you do or not. I would appreciate it if you do. But, even if you're not, even if you're on the fence about it, or you're not on the fence about it, or you don't know what kind of classes we're having anymore, just use my link and it'll take you to the website, and then click on the training calendar, and it'll show you everything that's coming up. So, with all that being said, see y'all in the woods. Yes, I do it again. Yes, I do it again. West Tampa Tobacco Company. And Rusted Crow. From a little craft distillery in Dearborn, Michigan. Dearborn Heights, I should say. See y'all later.